And welcome back. It's been a few weeks, I know, but it's that time of year now. We're going to take the honey off. We have got 3 deeps and a shallow to extract. I've put the extra brood box in, gives bees plenty of space to move down, and this board here has got the portal escapes in, so hopefully bees in here have all moved down there. Let's have a look and find out, shall we? Alright, there it goes. We've got plenty of smoke on the go. Let's see if the escapes have done what they're meant to do. And no, they haven't. Too many bees at the top here. You'll have to shake them out, which they won't enjoy. With the ladies. Actually, it's not too bad. All stuck together. There we go. Another one. A bit of a buzz on there, can you hear that? That one down there. And the last one. Excuse me. Let's remove those, which are the escapes. Move scramble. I'll start shaking a few of these off. We don't want these in the house. Tell you what, I'm going to bring the big guns in. This might look a tad brutal, but it really does the bees no harm whatsoever. One. Let's get these indoors and get the honey out of them. Phew, that's the hard bit done. We've got most of the bees out. You can hear a bit of buzzing. A few escaped, or didn't escape, but we sort them out in a little bit. Now what I've got to do now is take the honey frames there, take the capping off, stick them in the extractor and give it a whirl. So let's get spinning. So take the frame, remove the bucket, take the knife and just gently remove wax capping. Exposing that lovely honey, which is what it's all about. The last little bits, little tool, just ease that off. Repeat on the other side, and then we start to spin it. Handle on, give it a whirl. Not too fast. And we just spin them frames round and repeat. Up and over and back in. Up and over and back in. And off we go again. Right, so now we put the sibs on. It's a really fine one, goes on first, it's over the bucket, and then a not so fine one goes on next. And here we go. Undo the gate. And here comes the money shot. Or shall I say, the honey shot. Phew, it's been a hot couple of hours, but we've got all the frames spun out now. The last of the honey is now draining off and filtering through. So the next thing to do is check the moisture content using this little gizmo, a refractometer. Let's see how it goes. What I do with a silly face, I don't know. Well, that's the honey harvest done for this year. Pretty chuffed with that, 28 kilos, 60 odd pounds. Really good. Don't stop though. Soon, as in tomorrow, we're going to put the rower treatments in and start feeding ready for winter, because tomorrow starts today. See you soon though. Take care. Bye.